tell you like how you can download files in React using Node.js as a backend. And believe me guys, it is super easy. We'll use this JS file download. If you watch the whole video, I'll guarantee you will understand it. And basically it's you don't have to write application type as PDF or CSV. It's like super simple, like same format for every file. Okay, so let's just get started. So this is the module you have to install, JS file download. And currently I'm in the folder called download because this is a download tutorial. So I've already done like npx create react app. So I'll make a new folder for the server, and server will install some libraries for Node.js. So we'll install Express obviously, then we'll install CORS, then yeah, these two things we'll need. And we can just open with code this. Yeah, let me make it a little bigger. Yeah, and the font size also a little bigger. Yeah, okay. So let me, in the server, let me make a file called index.js, and here we'll just quickly made an API require express, and will the cos equals to require cos, and we'll say app const app equals to express, and here will the app.use co cos. Okay, so normal this, and now we'll made our API. So we'll do app.get. It will be a get request obviously because we are downloading. Then we'll put a slash, like it should be like on the first API only. Then here we'll take request comma response. Then here we'll say res dot download and the file name. So it's simple on the backend side. You just have to do res dot download, nothing else. Okay, so for downloading we have I think I don't have any file. Let me just check if I I have this xx.png. Let me open it. Okay, this is a file. So let me just copy it, and let me go back where I was. Okay, in the server let me paste. Okay, because we'll serve from here. The file name is xx.png. Okay, so here we'll make it as xx.png. So whatever your file name is, that just put that name and save it. So it's easily downloadable. Now we'll get on the React side, and we'll install some libraries, npm install axios. And one more thing, we have to install js dash file dash download, which is we you'll use for downloading js dash file dash. Okay, correct name. So let me just press enter. It installing. Okay, it's running. So we'll say node index. Okay, why it's not okay? Sorry, I haven't done app.run. App.run. Okay, app.listen. Sorry, I thought run, because like in Flask we do run, so I was just thinking about Flask. So we'll run on port 4000. Okay, so okay, it's running. So because no error. And on the like client side, React side also it's running. So we'll do npm start. Okay, till then it's starting. Let's go to app.js file. Okay, it's starting. Let me go to app.js and remove these all things because it's unnecessary. And now we'll import. What we'll import? We'll import axios from axios. Okay, we'll import axios from axios, and we'll import file download from js dash file download. Okay, now here, yeah, now it's complete. So now here we'll just make a like a normal function, or what do you button for the downloading. Firstly we'll say button, and you will say download. Okay, let me see everything's work fine on the client side. Okay, we have got a download button. So now here we'll create the functions through which we can call the API and download the file. We'll say const download. Okay, download, and now this will take e as the parameter, and we'll say e dot prevent default, like for page to not to reload, because we are making a get request. I think for get request it shouldn't reload. Yeah, it shouldn't reload, so let it be. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll say axios dot, not dot, directly I'll write it here, axios, and the URL. And what is our URL? We'll say http:// localhost 4000, and yeah, it's like normal on the base URL only, see, base. So that's it. And now we'll say method, and we'll say get. Now this is the very important part, method. Yeah, now this is very important part, like we have to set response type. Here we'll say blob. Okay, let it be blob, don't change it to like I'm serving PNG file, so I write PNG. I'm serving CSV, so I let say CSV. Whatever you file serving, just let it the as blob only. Okay, and on dot then when we'll get the response, here we'll come and say file down or file download, and here the data, this dot data, and the file name. So I'll name it as downloaded dot png. So whatever file name you'll give, it will show up here. Okay, so now we have to call the function. We'll say on click function name is download. Okay, download. So normally we'll click this button, it will come here, send the request to this URL, get request, and the response time blob. After that we'll say file download response dot data. Okay, and let me console it also, console dot log response, what the response we are getting, so I can show you. Okay, everything's fine. Let me open the inspect tab, go to console, and let me do it. Okay, see, the file got downloaded because we name it as downloaded. So if I name it as downloaded 123, save it, again go, it downloaded 123. You can see the file also, it's the same file. So one thing more, see, what we are doing, this is the data we are getting, see, blob type image. So we are just converting this data to the file download type. Okay, so that's the way you can do it. Thank you guys.